As you can see, we have beautiful hardwood floors.
Christina and Kendrell Holly at another beautiful Urban League free homebuyer education workshop success story. A story that just a short time ago seemed destined not to have the happy ending the couple relishes in today.
5 months ago, we were sitting at the couch trying to figure out a plan for our future.
Like so many couples, the Hollies dreamed of home ownership, but it just seemed so overwhelming. Thankfully, though, Christina is a researcher and found out about the Urban League's free educational seminar.
So even though you're going in to sign something that you've never ever done before, we're going to sit there and go through each and every page with you.
A program that brings together experts in all aspects of the home buying process. Everything from credit and loan requirements to proper insurance and finding the right agent. You name it, the workshop provides it.
When I left, my frame of mind was, I might be able to do this. I just might be able to pull this off.
And so their journey began. Armed with the knowledge they gained from the Urban League, the Hollies would eventually find their dream house in South Wichita.
Yeah, I'm just shocked and amazed. I still, sometimes when I pull up to the house, or get off work, I'm like, this is my house. It's almost like that fits me,
Enough space, a lot of things to do in this house.
As they move about their roomy residence, the Hollies and their children are all smiles as they compare the home they were renting to the one they have purchased.
This was our favorite dance at the old house.
Yeah, you have to walk around like this. You turn this way, you're stuck.
Yeah.
The little things this house offers, like the large pantry, have greatly improved their lives. Joy made possible by the couple's choice to attend the Urban League's free home educational homebuyer workshop.
If anybody can get an opportunity to utilize the Urban League to get your foot in the door, please do.
To find out more information on the Urban League, please visit our website at kansasul.org or call 316-262-2463.